What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to be covering how you can automate sales for your Shopify store on WhatsApp. So this will allow you to increase your sales presence in your marketing without a ton of effort on your end, as we're going to automate some of these steps here. So we're going to go over how to do that in this video. So make sure you stay to the end of it. Before I dive into it, I just want to mention our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to come with a free 15-day trial, and there's a link in the description below. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your business. I'm also going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
All right, so let's dive in now how you can automate sales on WhatsApp. So the easiest way is going to be to use a Shopify app. So we're going to go over a few of them here. It's going to allow for really easy setup. It's going to integrate nicely with your Shopify store, and the fees are pretty good considering the value you can get out of it. There are two ways we're going to do this. The first one's going to be communicating and sharing your products. The second one is going to be the automation of abandoned carts. So those are going to increase sales quite a bit. I'm just going to be messaging the consumer if they've added something to their cart. Say, hey, you didn't purchase this yet. Maybe use a discount code or just a little reminder here. And that's going to encourage the customer to come back to your website. And this is going to be a lot easier than trying to use an ad platform, as it's going to be more expensive for you. So the first app we're going to take a look at here is WhatsApp Sales Channel by Interact here. And it's going to auto sync your Shopify products into your WhatsApp store. And you can share these products with thousands of customers. You can do it with a campaign or auto reply. So this is going to be similar to email here. So you're going to send out a communication message to say, hey, something like this. We revamped our jewelry collection. Grab them before they're sold out. And then they can start shopping here. Overall, it's super easy to send out, giving you a ton of automation, no manual messages there, and it makes it really easy for the customer to check out here. Also going to have an abandoned cart link, which is going to be super useful for reconverting those customers. So there's different pricing. There's a free plan. It's going to be the number of notifications. It's going to go to $15 a month for different features such as the convert cart, the product auto sync, and for $35 a month, you get unlimited conversations with 3,500 users. So overall, it's got an excellent rating so far with 5 stars and 44 5-star ratings there. The next app we'll take a look at here is WhatsApp by Superlemon. This app has been around for a while. Again, it's going to have those features you need to automate that sales process. It's going to be the automated messages, so you can have an order confirmation or an abandoned cart confirmation. And so you can automate these simple operations here, which should hopefully lead to more conversions and more sales. With the order confirmation, you can further automate that sales process by giving them a coupon code on their next order. So in terms of abandoned cart recovery, around 69% of customers tend to complete their purchase with just a small reminder here. So sending that is extremely important. Pricing for this one is pretty cheap here, going from free to $7.99 to $9.99 a month. You really do need that $9.99 a month to get that automated abandoned cart recovery. Overall, decent reviews here at 4.4 stars with 997 5-star reviews. The last app we'll take a look at is WhatsApp Abandoned Cart and Chat by Cart Hike. So that's for one-click chat and share setup, abandoned cart recovery. This one's going to allow for unlimited and free recover for more abandoned carts. So you can have the manual one, but we're really going to focus on the automated one here. So you're going to send that automated recovery message. So all these apps here have similar functionality in that regard. It more depends if you like the UI and you like the layout of these, or if the pricing is more appropriate for your store. So you need to go to the $9.99 a month plan to get the automated recovery messages. Then you'll be paying per message on top of that, depending on where these messages are being sent to for this app here. It has an excellent rating at 4.9 stars and 227 5-star reviews. So this concludes the video here on automate sales on WhatsApp. This can allow you to scale your sales here and hopefully bring more in that process. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And I'm going to mention our sponsor, ProfitCalc, one last time. It's the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store, and there's a link in the description to get access to a 15-day free trial, so you can test everything out for yourself. This concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.